How to turn off silent play on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off silent play on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is launch your REDnote app. After you launch your REDnote app, you will need to head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Now, I did give you a glimpse of where you can find the silent play settings, but let's go through it again. Now, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. To head over to your settings, you will simply find the edit profile option and right besides that a gear icon. Tap on the gear icon to go on your settings page. Now, currently the silent play option is not available on my iPhone. It might only be available for Android users. So if you have that and you want to turn it off, head over to your settings and head over to your general settings. Under your general settings, you'll find a function section right here. Now, under this function section, you will find silent play. Now, after you find that, simply turn that off and you're basically good to go. And that is how you can turn off silent play on your REDnote app. Thanks for watching, guys. That is basically all for the video. Do not forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.